This is just a quick screencast to show you where to view your comments and feedback on your essay. When you go to open the assignment, it should look something like this, where you have you can see up here in the corner you have you're able to download your document. This little blue thing right here is your turn it in, your plagiarism checker, and it really doesn't matter in this class, even though I'm checking you for plagiarism to make sure you're not ripping off somebody's essay, but that doesn't have anything to do with y'all, so don't even click on that because it'll just confuse you. So you have two places here. If I've written any overall comments, they'll go here. And then you have this, you have view feedback here, and you have show rubric here. And if you click on show rubric, the rubric that I use to grade will pop up, and it will show you how many points out of what. And sometimes I make comments on here, but I really like to make comments on the essay so that you can see where you went wrong. So let me get rid of that. And then you'll click here for view feedback. It should pop up, and it looks kind of baby, like it's a small, but you can make it bigger. Okay, and then you can see every comment that I made on your essay to get specific feedback. And I do this for two purposes. Number one, if you don't know what you're doing wrong, you're going to continue to make the same mistakes, especially in the grammar with commas and whatnot. And showing you will help you if you're going through and looking at your feedback and looking at what you're doing wrong. Hopefully you'll take those lessons with you into the next essay. The second reason I have it is you do have an opportunity to rewrite an essay, and having feedback like this on every single essay is very helpful towards that if you need to rewrite an essay, or you end up having to rewrite an essay. So it actually benefits you. This is also why it takes so long for me to grade, because I am very thorough, and I don't want to just assign a grade and you don't really know what you're doing wrong. So remember, when you get to that page, let me see if I can exit out. Now I've probably gotten it up here. Now I won't be able to get rid of it. So I think I can do that. Okay, so remember, when you get to open your assignment, you can either click to view the feedback, that specific feedback that I've written on your essay, or show rubric will show you the rubric and where your point values were. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me.